Hello guys and welcome back to SSSDP. In today's video we'll be looking at what could possibly be the next Bitcoin. And this cryptocurrency is called Pi. It currently has no value, so how could this be the next Bitcoin? Well, there are predictions that Pi could be valued at a few $100s in the future. So, how do you get Pi? Well, to get Pi you need to mine it. And all you need to do is mine it, download the Pi network app on your phone. Sign up using a phone number or Facebook account, then put in your name, username and password. Then all you need to do is put in an invite code. Mine is linked in the description. Then press one button every 24 hours and you're mining Pi. You can increase the amount of Pi you mine by inviting more people to your mining team. So, if you use my invite code, you will mine for me, but I will also mine for you, as well as you can then increase your mining per hour by sending your invite code to anyone you know, friends, family, anyone. And as long as they sign up with your code and press that button every 24 hours, you'll both be making Pi. But doesn't mining cryptocurrencies use a lot of power? Well, the answer is yes, but mining Pi doesn't use any battery power or affect your phone's performance. So you can close the app after pressing the button to mine. And you want to start mining sooner than later, because by the end of the year, the creators will half the amount you can mine per hour, or even completely remove the ability to mine. You will eventually need to verify your account if you want to claim your Pi. Doing this, you'll just have to verify your phone number. I'm pretty sure if you sign up with a Facebook account, it automatically verifies. So do I think Pi will be worth hundreds of dollars? Possibly, but not in short term. And do I think it'll be like a new Bitcoin? No, probably not, because the second biggest cryptocurrency, being Ethereum, is only around $1,500, and Bitcoin being over $60,000. So I don't think Pi will get crazy expensive, but I reckon that it could, in a few years, be a couple $100s. So guys, if you did enjoy the video and you are thinking of mining Pi, then use my invite code, link in the description. Also make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.